We just got through giving Tex a bath. There's Jonas cleaning up over there. And Tex loves to be brushed. Thought I would show you how much he loves to be brushed. Watch. So here's the brush. He's gonna follow it. Good boy. And if I move, he'll come with me. You like that, don't you? Jonas is playing in the water. So don't spray over here. Look, here he comes. Here's the. You're so cute, Texie. If you spray Tex, I'll be mad, dude. You're like the whitest dog on the planet now, dude. Texie, speak, speak, speak. Good boy. Good boy. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my gosh, she's feeling frisky.